we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Hello folks, it's Fall Food Friday time again. This is the fourth and last Friday of this. Once again, we'd like to thank Fallon and Moss Family TV for putting this on. It has been great. Happy birthday, Manly. Yesterday was his birthday. Today, what we're going to be doing is fixing three things. Bubble up chili, no-bake pumpkin cookies, and quick and easy caramel apple fudge. Alrighty, we used 2 pounds of ground beef. We doubled the recipe. Your favorite chili mix. We bought diced tomatoes. Your favorite beans that you like in chili. If you don't even like beans, don't worry about the beans. And then you'll need canned biscuits. And shredded cheese. And then whatever toppings you want to put on at the end. Alright, we're going to quarter up the biscuits. Alrighty, and don't forget folks, you need to spray your glass pan. Carolyn used Baker's Joy, Pam, whatever you got and you want to use. Just whatever to keep it from sticking. The original recipe called for a 9 by 13 pan. Carolyn used a little bit bigger because we doubled the recipe. Now just layer in your biscuits there. Alright, once you finish layering that in there, just set it to the side and we'll start browning up the burger. And then after you get it brown, Carolyn here, she's going to drain it out to get the grease out of it. Now she's going to add the chili mix, the seasoning. Just give that a good stir there. Now we're adding the diced tomatoes. And folks, fix the chili however you like it. If you like it extra wet, do it like that there. And like I said, put in whatever beans you want to put in. We actually like butter beans, but they didn't have none of them at the store that day. And then some people don't like beans in their chili. Just don't add it. Like I said, everything here, just make it your own. Fix it however you want it. Alrighty, go ahead and turn your oven on to 350. Let it be preheating. Now just spoon this chili mixture right over the top of your stuff as evenly as you can get it. And then we're going to throw it in the oven. We're going to be baking this here for about 25 minutes. Today when she fixed this here, it was an old rainy, dreary day. This was just perfect. Alrighty, after it's baked about 25 minutes, take your bamboo skewer, toothpick, just check to make sure your biscuits ain't doughy, make sure they're fully cooked, and it was. Next gonna come the cheese. Carolyn's gonna sprinkle cheese on there. After you get your cheese put on there, you're going to set it back in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes until the cheese starts bubbling on it. And there you have it. There's the finished product out of the oven. Boy, it filled that pan up, didn't it, folks? Here comes, there's a piece. She's got her sour cream, onions, and peppers on top. Now, let's get ready to start the next thing. No-bake pumpkin cookies. Alrighty, you're going to need sugar, butter, milk, you need rolled oats or old-fashioned oats, some quick cooking oats, pumpkin puree, vanilla, and pumpkin spice. Alrighty. We're going to put a half a cup of butter, which is a whole stick of butter, 1 cup of sugar, and a 1/4 cup of milk. And then we're just going to turn the heat on medium, get that to cooking, get it to boiling. 1 minute after it starts boiling. Keep a stirring it good. Alrighty, after that you pull it off the heat, pour in your pumpkin, pour in your pumpkin spice, Pour in your oats. Start giving that a stir. And then there is your quick oats. Get everything stirred up good there. Alright, just scoop you out some pumpkin there. And then we'll flatten them out here shortly. We'll have the recipe also linked in the description. I'll make sure Dan gets that put in there. Alrighty, there's the finished product. After you get done patting them out, just set it in the refrigerator for about 2 hours and they'll set up, folks. Turned out good. And now, finally, hopefully ain't bored you, we're going to be having quick and easy caramel apple fudge. You'll need some caramel, some white morsels, some applesauce, and some vanilla icing, and that's it. Alrighty, put your morsels down in a bowl and we're going to heat that up in the microwave. Altogether it worked out about 40 seconds for that, and then also about 20 seconds for the icing in the microwave till it's melted. And folks, you can also make pumpkin fudge same way. Roughly 2 tablespoons of pumpkin puree. Alrighty, there we're putting in our applesauce. And then just give it a good stir. Just give it a good stir there, folks. We're getting ready to pour it into a pan. We've lined that there with parchment paper so it'll come out easy. And this part here is optional. We're going to take caramel and spread on top. If you don't want that, don't use that there. Pour you some around through. And I just took that bamboo skewer, going to mix it around a little bit. Get it to where it goes on down inside the center a little bit there. And then that's about it, folks. We're going to take that and set that in the refrigerator there for 1.5 to 2 hours. It'll set up and we'll show you the finished product in just a minute here. Folks, we're getting close to the end here. I'd like to thank everybody for watching us. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And I'd like to thank again Moss Family TV for having this. Fallon, you've got an awesome channel, you've got an awesome family. Thank you again. Now this is after it sat about 1 hour, folks. It could have sat just a little bit longer. It firmed up pretty good. But Carol and Dan both said it was good.
Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through, no limit to what we can do. Oh, We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.